Salamat po kami kay nakaabot ng pinasig tanik kabayan mo rin kami kabayan mo si ng bench.
Good morning, grade 9.
Good morning, Miss Aguilar.
So, how are you today? So your attendance will be based on your quiz later. So I am here my 4 classroom rules. So please read everyone. Rule number 1.
Raise your hand if you want to say something. Keep quiet when somebody is speaking in front.
Rule number 3.
Respect each other's opinion. Always do your best and enjoy the class.
So is it clear?
Yes.
So let's have, before we proceed to our new lessons, let's have a quick review of our previous lessons. So with the quiz, let's play pass the balloon.
Guys, di ko pa, sampalon.
So pass the balloon as the music plays. When the music stops, student who holds the balloon will be the one to answer the question. So ready na?
Yes.
So mag-stop ang music kung sino nakapit sa balloon siya ang ma-answer. Okay, pass the balloon. It's very well. Please read. Okay, very good. So the answer is suicide. We passed the Okay, very good. The answer is para suicide. So I am here a video and I want you to watch quietly the video and analyze the video.
Nakasuyo.
Okay, so what have you observed in the video presented? Please stand up. Yes. Okay, very good. Another answer? Yes. Okay, so very good. Another answer? Please stand up. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so do you think it is relevant to our topic? Yes. Okay. So based on the video, what do you think is our topic? Who can answer? Yes, stand up.
About sexual development.
Okay, very good. So let's read the objectives of our topic for today. Letter A.
Identify the types of sexual abuse, such as incest, molestation, and rape. Express awareness on how to eradicate the different types of sexual abuse.
Mga maalaman na sa group 2.
All you need to do is analyze the 4 pictures and complete the missing letters to form the words. So, ready for group 1?
Tuwan.
I will only give you 2 minutes to finish the task. After you answer, please face on the board. Okay, so later we will check your answer if correct. So what comes into your mind when you look at the pictures? So ano ang nagsusin ng mga paminsano sa nakita niyo mga pictures? Yes? Okay, very good. So how did you identify those pictures? Yes? How did you identify those pictures? Na naging molestation sa, naging rape sa, naging sisa? Yes. How did you identify those pictures? Na naging sisa, paano mo na-identify yung sisa? Okay, very good. Thank you so much. So our topic for today is about
Sexual abuse.
such as incest, molestation, and rape. So, what is sexual abuse?
Sexual abuse is unwanted sexual activity with perpetrators using force, making threats, or taking advantage of victims not able to give consent.
So, sexual abuse is an unwanted sexual activity. So, hindi ginusto nga makipag-sex. So, with perpetrators using gina-force ka mo para makipag-sex. So, ano na siyang tawag na? Sexual abuse. So, making threats or taking advantage of victims not able to give consent. So, mostly, na ginaan sa sexual abuse is may mental disorder. So, sexual abuse have 3 types. So, first is incest. Please read everyone.
A sexual contact between persons who are so closely related that a marriage between them is considered illegal. Usually, incest takes the form of an older family member having sexual relations or sexually abusing a child or an adolescent.
Okay, very good for group 1. Let's give a may tama clap ka for group 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. May tama ka. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. May tama ka. Okay, very good. So, incest is usually sa person with family nila. For example, your father, ang father mo na gusto makipag-sexual activity with your mother, but hindi ka masagot ang iyong mother. So, his tendency sa bata yan, ginahin mo. So, ang nakatabo na siya tawag sa family. So, having sexual relation or sexually abusing a child or adolescent. Pero mostly sa mga bata na siya ginahin mo. So, kakatanaw na sa mga MMK, magpakaganda, may nakatawag na di ba? So, next is molestation. Please read everyone.
This is sexual abuse of a person, whether a child or adult.
3, go! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, may tama ka! Okay, so ang molestation naman is the sexual abuse of a person, whether a child or adult. So, mostly, marami lang ginahibas-hibas ka, pero para siya, so, ginapasasiswayan ang kaugalingon niya. Nga para daw ginagapatay sa isa mga galingon na siya sa amo sa sexual activity, sa molestation. For example, ang akbay na pala, pero para siya, yung akbay na daw kalain, na daw ginapantasize ka nga ikaw, ginaano yun ang something ang muna. So, sees another individual as a sexual object. So, ikaw isa rin ang object para maging ang iyang fantasize iyang sexual or amo na iyang ikaw pinapalundong yung binigyan na siya. So, amo na siya ang molestation. Okay, very good. So, next is, so, there are examples of molestation. So, first is funding. Please read everyone.
To handle, stroke, or caress lovingly or erotically.
Okay, for example, naman diya is aragang kado, kamula sa for example, sa partner mo, pero ang kado niya daw, ginatouch niya na bala ang mga party-party sa imo nga mga So next is mutual masturbation. Please read everyone.
Two people touching each other's sexual organs for pleasure.
Okay, so ari naman niya, for example, nang ginakaptan mo yung mga private part for your pleasure, for sexual pleasure. So para daw pala ginakaptan yung mga private part para ibang sexual ninyo nga.
Guys, wagi nila brand new
Ginayin mo ako na ang guys. So it's called molestation na siya, mutual masturbation.
Jowa ka tawo mo.
So,
Hindi, pwede pero ang siya.
so next is sodomy. Please read everyone.
Sexual intercourse that involves inserting of the penis of one person into the anus of another person.
Okay, so sodomy are ang private parts sa lalaki, intercourse siya sa anus of another person or butthole. Butthole. Daw gina-insert sa lalaki ang iyang private parts sa butthole sa another person. So next is, please read everyone.
Sexual intercourse between a male and a female involving the insertion of the penis into the vagina.
So ang titles naman niya is gina-insert ang private part ng babae, ang private part ng lalaki sa private part sa okay, so amo na siya ang next is child pornography. Please read everyone.
Explicit portrayal of children as sexual subject matter for purpose of sexual arousal.
So, child pornography. So, mostly ang mga kabataan ang ginagamit sa amin nga molestation. For example, of molestation, ang child pornography. Portrayal of children as sexual subject matter for purpose of sexual arousal. So, ginagamit ang bata. So, next is
Children get paid to have sex.
so, kung ginaglas sa video, di ba, na-notice nyo to, nga gitagaan siya. Gawa mo na siya ng child prostitution nga, so bayaran ang bata, kung ginagito-info, walang bata, para makipag, Okay, so very good, everyone. So, Ray, please read everyone.
Sexual intercourse between penetration may be by a bottom part or a mouth object.
Okay, so for group A, please let us give them a may tama clap also. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, may tama clap. So rape is a force of sexual intercourse. So ang rape, gina-force ka na makipag. So if you have a partner, balangan do gina-force ka or miski asawa na balangan ginahagad ka makipag sexual activity pero hindi ka na ginapilit ka pero hindi ka siya kapag hindi ka it's called rape na siya. And Maybe by a body part of penetration, maybe by a body part or an object. So the sexual act may also be considered rape if it is satisfies any of the following criteria. Please read.
One or both people are not old enough to consent, which means one or both of them are below 18 years old.
Yes, so for example, kamo. So hindi pa kami 18 years old above, di ba? So once na ginatandog mo or no, pwede na siya matawag na rape. So one of them does not have the capacity to consent, which means, read everyone,
One of them may not be able to provide mental and physical capacity to
Okay,
consent.
so may problema sa may mental disorder. For example, may masakit sa ulo. Balabog yun, take advantage na sa mga tao para makipag-sexual activity. Kung take advantage na kailangan syempre may sakit. For example, ikaw may sakit di sa ulo, papiliton ka syempre maupo. Kamay ko tagalaan. Good morning, sir. Good morning. So one of them did not agree to take part. Please read everyone.
One of them did not agree to take part, which means the rapist might use physical force or threat to force the victim to act intercourse with him or her.
So, ay naman yan, gina-force ka or gina-threats ka. For example, ikaw pagado niya, pero hindi ka. So, ano niya, pa-action ko na, hindi ka. So, ako na pala. So, di ba, ako kasugod ka na pa-action niya na, ko. So, makasugod ka na, pero, pwede mo na siya makaswan because, ano na siya? Rape. Okay, so I am here in Hydra, the total numbers of rape cases in the Philippines from year 2020 to 2022. So the color blue is year 2020, so may are cases na 9,325. So ang year 2021 naman siya is 9,620. So nila, ang green, nagtaas siya kung nagdugo. So bila ang gintaas.
Ano?
Calculate nyo. Okay, very good. So, ang nagtaas siya sa 295 sa 2021. So, ano naman niya ang 2022? Nagtaas siya o naglubo? Okay, so na 8,360 siya. Naglubo siya. So, sa 2022, so naglubo ang rape cases in the Philippines according sa Statista Researcher. So, do you have